Congratulations on your new iPhone. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the entire setup process, step by step, so you can start enjoying your new device right away. Let's get started. First things first, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. You'll then be greeted with the Hello screen. Swipe up to continue. If you have your old iPhone nearby, you can use Quick Start to automatically transfer your settings and data. It's the easiest way to get set up. If you don't have your old phone, or if you're coming from an Android device, tap Setup manually. Next, you'll need to connect to a Wi-Fi network to activate your iPhone. Select your network from the list and enter the password. Your iPhone will then activate with Apple servers. Now it's time to secure your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up Face ID or Touch ID. This will allow you to unlock your phone and make secure purchases. After that, you'll create a 6-digit passcode. Make sure it's something you'll remember, but that's hard for others to guess. This is a crucial step. You can restore from an iCloud backup, a backup on your computer, or even transfer your data directly from an Android device. If you want to start fresh, you can choose Don't Transfer Apps and Data. For this tutorial, we'll select Restore from iCloud Backup. Enter your Apple ID and password. This is the account you use for everything Apple, including the App Store, iCloud, and iMessage. If you don't have one, you can create one for free. Apple makes it easy to set up key features like location services, Find My iPhone, and iMessage. You can use the express settings or customize them to your liking. I highly recommend enabling automatic updates to ensure your iPhone always has the latest security features and bug fixes. Next, you'll be prompted to set up Siri, Apple's virtual assistant. You can also set up screen time, which gives you insights into how you use your device and allows you to set limits on app usage. And that's it. You'll see the Welcome to iPhone screen, and then you'll be taken to your home screen. Your new iPhone is now set up and ready to go. I hope this video helped you set up your new iPhone. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. And let me know in the comments what your favorite new feature is. Thanks for watching.